So, two main news for the day, and important ones actually. So, couple of days ago, Nvidia became the world's most valuable company in terms of market valuation, surpassing Microsoft. They were number 2 for a few days. Now Apple is number 3, Microsoft is number 2, Nvidia is number 1 with $3.34 trillion valuation. And nobody had seen this coming. They saw one major uptick in 2020 when Bitcoin mining rush happened and a lot of people started buying graphics card, and that was one major uptick. But 10 years down the line, like 10 years back actually, 2014, nobody really estimated that Nvidia one day would become the world's most valuable company. Started in 95 by a Taiwanese immigrant, Jensen Huang, who's like a Taylor Swift of the tech world, as Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, puts it. And the current growth of Nvidia as a company is driven by the gold rush of AI. None of the LLMs, like none of the AI can be trained without Nvidia's GPUs. Now people are looking for alternatives, but Nvidia has a really matured and developed technology and sort of the entire ecosystem built around their products. And as I usually say, today if let's say OpenAI goes down, or Microsoft goes down, or Google goes down, it's not much of an issue because there are alternatives. But if Nvidia goes down, then it's a major setback for the whole planet. So that is the kind of importance that Nvidia holds now, because without their graphic cards, training large models is just impossible. So all these major companies have put billions of dollars of contracts with Nvidia, and their order book is already full. For example, Meta, Facebook, has given order of $30 billion, almost 1 million GPUs, H100, and even Elon Musk for Tesla and for XAI for their model Grok. They also have given order of thousands and thousands of GPUs. So right now, like 100,000 GPUs is nothing. Like we are talking about H100, which costs roughly about $30,000 to $40,000, which is a one graphics card. It's a cluster of few components, and then companies need hundreds of thousands of that to train. So Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google, all of them have booked a lot of cards already. And simultaneously, these companies are also looking for alternatives because they don't want to really depend on Nvidia for long. So for example, Google already has their processors called TPU, Tensor Processing Unit, which they use as well in their training process. Microsoft and Facebook has also started designing chips now, and of course AWS as well, Amazon as well. Well, so a big day for Nvidia, and really I think if you want to get a good grasp on the entire AI field, robotics, be it humanoid robotics or be it digital regular large models, you need to keep an eye on Nvidia because they are doing tons of things at a mass scale.